Welcome to Xbnb IoT, Physical Infrastructure, Automated. We're here to talk about revolutionizing short-term rentals. Let's start with a common frustration. In short-term rentals, imagine a booking is confirmed, the guest arrives, but the door doesn't open. Access failure. This is a crucial operational risk. In short-term rentals, physical access is operational infrastructure. Xbnb brings IoT into your automation layer to solve this. The current setup for most properties creates a major problem: fragmentation. Most properties use disconnected smart devices. You have one app for locks, another for cameras, and yet another for temperature control. None of these devices are connected to your reservation data. That's not automation. That's fragmentation, leading to operational risk. With Xbnb IoT, we introduce smart access that is directly linked to your reservations, eliminating manual work and risk. With Xbnb IoT, access control is linked directly to your reservations. When a booking is confirmed, the automation engine takes over. A time-based access code is automatically generated. Code activation aligns precisely with check-in time, and expiration aligns with checkout. This means no manual code creation, no forgotten deactivation, and significantly reduced operational risk for your property management. Beyond access, Xbnb also provides smart environmental and energy automation. Xbnb connects environmental controls directly to occupancy status. When vacant, properties switch to energy-saving mode. When checked in, it shifts to comfort mode, and upon checkout, it resets. This is automation that follows revenue events, not manual decisions. It's smart, efficient, and cost-effective. Security devices are integrated into this same infrastructure, providing centralized control for motion events and device status alerts, all linked to the correct property ID. It's important to understand that Xbnb IoT is built on infrastructure thinking. Xbnb IoT is not simply another smart home bundle. It's a complete infrastructure layer, where devices respond to core operational triggers. Devices respond intelligently to check-in, check-out, no-show events, and operational triggers, unifying physical access, communication, and automation. To wrap up, let's talk about the future of property management. In modern rentals, access is data, and data should control access. Manual intervention introduces risks and inefficiency. Xbnb connects the physical property to the digital reservation, providing the automated infrastructure scalable operators need.